Today we are going to unbox a 60 amp MPPT solar controller that I think is one of the most cost-effective. We have written about this product before and have compared it with several brands of similar products. Even today, it remains one of our most recommended products. Both his ability and his price are very competitive. Because, the competing products are just too expensive, the most expensive one even costs 3 times more than it. This is an intelligent controller that supports automatic recognition and switching of 48V 36V 24V systems, and can support up to 150V solar input. It is suitable for any medium to large home solar system, and can be stacked in large commercial systems. It is a controller that uses true MPPT technology and can reach a maximum conversion efficiency of 98%, ensuring that you get the maximum output for your input. Now we are holding the attached temperature sensor. The temperature sensor will detect the ambient temperature near the probe and send back to the controller. The controller's internal algorithm will adjust the operation of the system according to the temperature, which will ensure that the system will not overheat in summer and compensate in winter. Now take the controller out of the foam. The maximum acceptable solar input for this controller is 3400 watt, when the battery system is configured for 48 volts. If you have a 36 volt system, it can accept up to 2600 watts, and at 24 volts, it can accept up to 1800 watts. This section is the wiring area where the temperature sensor, solar panel, battery and load are connected. The product label will tell all the parameters. The housing is made of aluminum alloy, with ventilation and heat dissipation openings on both sides. On the top of the machine, there is also a built-in fan to actively dissipate heat while the controller is working, thus ensuring proper operation. This controller supports charging a wide range of batteries, including lead-acid, AGM and the newly popular lithium batteries. The button section is waterproof design. This controller also has an RS-485 port that can be connected to a computer and used with software to control, set up, and monitor system operation. This is how we connect the temp sensor. Now let's open the top cover to see how to fix the connection for the wiring. After the wiring is completed, the wiring can be fixed through the screw port in this section. Thanks for watching.